Okay, we're on day 2 of the tile job, coming in to finish. This little sidewall right here, you guys know the drill. It's just laying tile. This time I'm trying an experiment and I wrapped the edge of my spacer stick with tape. Maybe the mortar won't stick as much.
Yeah.
Tiles are mostly all cut. I think they're all cut except for the outlet openings. So yeah, we're gonna take you along. We're gonna mix up some mortar. After the mortar is mixed, we will start laying them. I didn't show this in the last video very well, so let me show you what we're using for a tile edge. This is just a little flat, clean looking edge to cap the edges of the tile. That gets mortared in, tile goes up to it, so that when you look at the edge of the tile, it looks more finished.
You don't see the edge of the tile.
So we are installing those on both ends. I don't know, let's go mix the mortar.
Great.
I'm gonna try to do 2 rows.
Okay.
So I'm coming over.
Just go like 3 inches past the outlet.
Trying to make it nice. How's that?
No, look right here.
Oh. And where's the side that goes down? I hope that works.
Let me make sure it's right. Yeah.
Tile spacers, where are they?
They're right here.
Okay, that looks good. That's a good start.
I'm gonna wet a rag.
Well, there it is, guys. Tile is installed on both sides of our kitchen. Progress made. Now we're gonna let those sit overnight and we will come back probably tomorrow to do the grout. Okay. We are here, new day. We're gonna do the grout. So I better start pulling these spacers and getting all this mortar cleaned off the tiles. Should have did this yesterday, but we'll get it done. The only downside of putting tile on the wall is it makes it more difficult to hang something if you wanted to hang, you know, a decoration or...
You do a sticky hanger.
Yeah. Evie's just about done cleaning off the tile. It's coming off nice. All the mortar just wipes right off.
It'll be fine.
Now that we're done, I think we're going to put some new paper down to protect our wood. And then we will be ready to mix up the grout, and I'll show you guys what color that we chose. Guys, we have to work fast because this grout sets fast. We don't want to waste it, so I just want to get it in there. I'm already dropping too much on the floor, but hopefully we can, I don't know, learn to do it. I'm not used to this wall work. I think the last time I tiled a wall was, wow, many years ago.
Kokomo.
Ages ago. I would say that was the last time and the first time, right?
Yep.
Right? Mm-hmm. It's gonna look... Alright guys, the time has come to clean off the tile. I've let it sit a little too long, got a little carried away with the puzzle, and it's starting to dry up a little too much, so hopefully we can get it clean without too much trouble. And let's start buffing it off. Feels good, just about perfect. It's going to be hard to clean with this wood strip at the bottom because it's covered in mess. This is looking really good so far, coming clean, but I'm really tempted to just get this wood and this mess out of here. I'm afraid I'm going to damage something, but I'm going to see if this can come out. I want to see if I can get this wood strip out of here. So kind of behind the scenes, we've been hammering on this piece of wood, trying to break it free, and it just moved. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, so we didn't have the camera on, but we're going to try to get this side out. I knew better when I started this tile job not to put wood under here, but even though I knew better, I still did it. I should have done small shims or something easier to move. I'm pulling the grout out of the bottom here. Well, we didn't lose any tiles at least. You might be onto something there. Wow. Oh,
It worked.
I got one of them out. I hope I didn't damage anything.
Wow.
Well, so much for keeping the house a clean space now.
Yeah.
We were all set. You guys know. We said no more mess in the house, no more shoes in the house. We're wearing our shoes. We're tracking in all kinds of dirt and debris.
Yep.
Plus dropping mountains of mortar and grout all over our new kitchen floor. But that's just the way we do it sometimes. The good thing about wood floors like this is they're pretty durable, and once we clean it up, it'll look fine. It's gonna look perfect. Just like our tile. Look it, we are done. We have the grout all cleaned up and it's looking pretty amazing so far. We managed to get the wood shims out from underneath. It was a little bit scary. I literally thought we were gonna break something, but we somehow didn't. I don't even need to tell you guys, I did damage the countertop a little bit. Evie pointed it out to me. On the end, when I was trying to hammer the wood out, I dented the counter, but it's small, it's not very noticeable. And you know, wood countertops are pretty forgiving in that regard. Whew. Guys, it looks like we are going to have to invest in a broom and dustpan for this house. With this mess, we're down here on our hands and knees trying to clean it up because we don't have anything here.
Yeah.
We're gonna need some cleaning supplies. We're gonna bring the vacuum over. We're gonna get it cleaned back up. I'll show you guys the tile one more time. Now we still have to unscrew that wood strip that's gonna come off the wall, and we will paint the wall down there because right now it's just primer, but we will paint it to make it sealed up better. And then caulk. After the countertops are cured, we're gonna seal with silicone underneath all around the edges to make it waterproof. It looks so good. Now the color Evie chose, it's called eggshell. It's kind of an off-white color. We didn't want it stark white because the tile is kind of off-white, so it looks good. This is the first time that we've done white grout with tile, and I think it looks great. Good choice.
Yep. And this is the rapid setting type grout, so it won't need a sealer. It already comes with it in it.
Yeah, this grout can work for, it's a new grout, and it's not sanded or unsanded. Grout usually comes in 2 types, but this works for any tile pretty much, any thickness, and it just doesn't require a sealer. It's supposed to be, you know, stain proof, basically the way it is.
Yeah.
So I don't think that we'll have a problem with it here in the kitchen. Now, to finish off this job, we will need to get some outlet extenders. So I'm going to get some box extenders that we have at home. I'm going to show you guys that in another video. We'll get the outlets installed, the covers, and finish this up. So overall, you're pleased with the job and how everything looks?
Yeah.
Did we make the right choice on the backsplash?
Yep.
Good.
Perfect.
I just noticed how it's almost centered over the range. Almost centered.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Well, that's all we have for now. We're going to keep trying to make progress on this kitchen. There's not too much else to do in the home. So we'll take you along next time as we continue this project. But that's all we have for now. So thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.
Bye.